Oh, that's a nice Jeep you got there. Oh, this is what Jeeps are meant for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you go to this side, and you go to that side. Like, going stuck in my hip, and then you try to walk your way around the Jeep like this. It's like Tetris, only better. And then you try to climb. Oh, I think we're good. Basically, ski racks. So guys, what's up? It's Mark. That was a pain in my balls. I'm just showing you how rugged that monkey bar jumpy thing is right there. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This, my friends, is a 2011 Jeep Wrangler, I'm out of breath, Rubicon, lifted with, let me get onto that in a minute. But first, cut. Don't pause. Now you can keep on going. I'm gonna let you guys see the bloopers and the outtakes. Right now, right here, trying to catch my breath. I'm making excuses just to last longer. So I'm way out of breath and out of shape. So anyways, we'll let Noah do it.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. It's just, guys, this is bloopers to the max. Noah should be the one not out of breath because in the beginning of the video, you guys just saw this cat go crazy and do some rock crawling. He's like, the viewers need more stuff. The viewers need you to go rock crawling, toe crap, run over buildings, go through houses and crazy stuff like that. Do burnouts on top of like those rocks right there and like where people are inside eating dinner and stuff like that. But I was like, no, we shouldn't do that. Let's just do something else. But we'll get to that. We'll get to that soon. So anyways, with that said, here's the upcoming video. In 2 more weeks, we'll be giving you guys the video you want. A crazy video, so stay tuned. Guys, what's up? It's Mark. This is a 2011 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Super clean Jeep inside and out. It's got a lot of goodies on it, including this top rack right here for whatever you want to use it for. Extra support, skis, light. It utilizes the spots for your cube lights right here in the rear, your search lights in the front. I mean, you can put your Jeep jacks on here. You could put spare tires on there. You can put whatever the hell you want on there. You can put your grandmother on there for all I care. Anybody, I don't care. Put a dildo on it. I don't give a shit. Anyways, with that said, guys, this Jeep has a super nice set of rubber on it. These are a 35, 12, 50, 17-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler. All right, and the Ridge Grapplers are super nice. It's a mix between it's an all-terrain and a mud terrain mix in between. So it's a really nice tire. You get a little bit of road noise, not too much. And the best of all, it doesn't wear as fast as like a mud grappler would. So it is a really nice tire. I like it a lot. You got a pattern on here that's pretty impressive. It grips really good, and it's got a lot of good features. On both sides, if you notice, on one side I think is different pattern than the other. You're probably gonna correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, on one pattern I think it's different than the other if you flip the tire. That's the beauty of Nitto and Toyos. You can flip the tire, have different patterns on each side, and kind of customize your look, so to speak. This Jeep right here has a body armor front bumper. Super cool kick-ass front bumper. You got your tow hooks, your D-rings right here. It's an XRC winch plate right here. It utilizes a nylon rope. Some pros and cons about that. Some people like them, some people don't. I personally don't like the nylon ones because you get snagged on a rock and you're pulling somebody out of a ditch and the rock's right here. You're winching it here, your anchor point, and the Jeep's down here. Guess what happens? Saws it off. I like cable better, but you know, the pros and cons, whatever. You got front cube lights too. Let's take a look under the hood real quick. Bone stock under the hood besides a AFE cold air intake system. This is a 3.8 liter V6 engine. Nicely done. It hasn't been abused, you can see. It's got aftermarket LED lights on it. Guys, these lights are super, super bright. I'm gonna show you, check it out. Watch this, ready? Oops, sorry, I hit you. Actually, where's the keys at? I can do it with the keys. How many minutes are we at?
4.
Oh, we got
5.
Oh my God, we gotta cut it quick then. So, I know how you guys like to show videos. Super bright LED lights, okay? Projector to the max. Pop this on, lights, fog lights. So the fog lights on, oh, you gotta start it up. Fog lights on now. Probably gonna start it up. Fog lights on. Cool. Now check it out. So, all of that, I'm gonna leave this open. Oh, the rock lights too. Good call. My buddy Morgan over here just notated. Rock lights, rock lights. I'm like, yes! That's what's the cool part about it. Hopefully we get a picture at the nighttime, pitch dark night, because the lights will be accenting this green Jeep. It's got green rock lights underneath. I'm gonna show you guys what's going on here in a second. And you can kind of see it. Look at my hand. You see that, Noah? Can you kind of see it? Yeah, hold on, put something up to it. There you go, can you see that? So it's green. It's really cool. It's got a nice accent to it, especially when you're cruising down the road or climbing over rocks and stuff like that. Look at the back searchlights. You get 2 of the bulbs with LEDs out right here. These are kind of, I don't know if they're rugged ridge or rough country or whatever, but the bulbs are out. Take a quick look at the interior and then we're going to end the video so you guys can enjoy the ending of this video because we're going to put more crazy cool stuff at the end. The interior is absolutely immaculate. No rips, no tears. Floor, it's got WeatherTech floor mats, brand new WeatherTech floor mats. Super nice and pretty looking. LED lights all throughout inside. Guys, this Jeep has 95,138 miles on it. The good part about the Rubicons, unlike the regular limited Jeeps, is check this part out right here. You got your sway bar disconnect, so when you go rock climbing, boom, hit that button, boop, boop, it electronically releases your sway bar links to disengage. That way you have more flex in the Jeep. Right here, front axle lock, hold it down. Rear axle lock, hold it down. You're in the snow or mud, whatever you're kind of trying to do. Boom, boom. There's a nice, super cool, like, engraved logo right here. This is off-road, letting you know this section right here is strictly meant for heavy-duty off-roaders right there. This is a 6-speed manual transmission, 4x4, no navigation. It's got no backup camera. Your rock lights and your front fog light, cube fog lights are all right here. These do light up. Truck has to be on, or Jeep has to be on. Check out the cool oh shit grab bars, wild boar grab bars. I mean, you could, if I was strong enough, I could practically roll this whole entire Jeep over. That's how rugged these are. I mean, they're on there. They're not coming off. You get your oh shit handles right here. People say no swearing on YouTube, but how are you supposed to just explain what the hell this is? It's a oh excuse me handle. No, it's an oh shit handle. So that's what that is. Got a full-size spare. This is a same thing, matching full-size spare with wheel. 35, 1250, 17-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler. A nice all-terrain tire, if you want to call it whatever you want to call it. And the rest is the rest is history. You get your aftermarket grab bar or Nerf bars right there, and the sunlight's down. These are 17 Incubus Off Road wheels. We got full clearance left and right. These are aftermarket fenders too, guys. Front and rear aftermarket fenders. Rear fenders are metal, fronts are plastic. It has the lights incorporated into the mirror, and I guess that's all she wrote. Look. They turn on when the Jeep goes on again! They turn on when it goes on, all right? Sick of you not working with your lights not on. Front and back bumpers. So I guess that's the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. This is Mark signing out, and this is Noah signing out. I'm out! All right, he's out. That's tire shine and detailer right there. So, hope you guys liked the video. Stay tuned. This is going on probably 10 minutes. You know what? We might as well make it. You think we should make it 10 minutes? I say we make it 10 minutes. Let's do some crazy shit right now. I don't know. Let's, you guys mind recording? We're gonna do some crazy shit right now. Let's go do some wild shit. Keep on going. Should we do it? I probably shouldn't do it because it looks like it's gonna flip. But anyways, that's the cool part of the end of the video, right there. It looks like it's gonna flip. I don't know if we go any further. I don't want to get caught by the cops or do some crazy stuff, so I'm kind of getting crazy as it is. But here we go. See you guys later. This is Mark signing out. This is the end of the video. Jeep Rubicon, baby. Peace out.